How to find language settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points and top, and then click settings, and here you will find this one here, chats, and scroll down. Here you will find that app language. Here you can change your app language, and that's it. It's easy, and you can change it by select any language you want here, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.